on behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I, Shayandeep, welcome you all. Today I will tell a very interesting new age innovative idea compiled by Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives, ZIIEI. The name of this particular zero investment idea is Guess the Hidden Word from the case study Learning Through Games. Now this particular case study and of course this idea has been given by the innovative teachers of the state of Assam. Now before I go into the implementation of this idea, let's talk about why this idea is so important. Now we all know that playing comes very naturally for a particular child or for any child. Now when games become an integral part of the learning process, it automatically motivates the children to learn, pay more attention and take part in classroom activities. Now let's talk about the implementation of this particular idea. But before that, the preparations. For this particular idea to be implemented, the entire class is divided into two groups, Group A and Group B. And these two groups sit in front of each other and facing each other. Now let's talk about the implementation of this idea. Now this idea is implemented either of these two ways, either by the verbal format or by the written format. Let's take the example of the verbal format. In this particular format, one student of, let's say, Group A comes in front. Now that student places a sentence with a missing word or a hidden word to Group B. Now Group B has to answer and find out this missing word. Let's take the example of a sentence. The process by which a plant makes its food is called blank. Now the student of Group B has to answer the particular missing word, which is of course photosynthesis. If the student of the other group answers this correctly, the group gets 5 points. If the student doesn't answer it, the group will get 0 point. Now like this the game continues. Now let's take the example of the written format of this particular idea. Now in this format, one student of, let's say this time Group B, comes in front with a cheat, and that cheat has a sentence with a hidden word written in it, and he passes the cheat to a student of the other group. Now that student of the other group has to fill up that particular blank. If the answer is correct, the group gets 5 points, and if it is wrong, the group gets 0 point. Now sometimes it has been seen that this process is a very lengthy one, or this idea to be implemented is a very lengthy one. In order to speed up this particular activity, a method can be taken into account where a particular group will have the option of making a question once it makes a correct answer. Otherwise, the other group will keep on questioning and keep on gaining more and more points. Now, the benefit of this idea is, as we have seen, when a game is made an integral part of the classroom learning process, the student find it more interesting to study. I hope you like this idea, and I surely hope you will implement this in your respective classrooms. If you want to see more of such ideas, please subscribe to our ZIIEI YouTube channel, and if you are watching this video on Facebook, please like our ZIIEI Facebook page. Thank you.